This is Hills Small and Mini Dog Food with grain. So our vet recommended grain for our dog right now, and we went with Hills. And to be honest, this is the chicken and brown rice recipe. And to be honest, this has been our dog's favorite dog food so far. He eats it up every time we put it down, and that has not always been the case. Other dog foods, he just leaves it there, but this one, he really enjoys it. This is how dog food looks, like little pebbles. So really nice for small dogs. Ours is a 17-pound Shih Tzu, and he loves this. We actually have to like really monitor and make sure that based on his weight that he is eating the right portion throughout the day. So that's good to know based on their weight how much they should be having throughout the day. So again, Hills, the chicken and brown rice recipe has been really great for our dog. He loves this food. First time in a while where every time we put it in his bowl, he eats it all up. He just loves it. When I picked up the bag, he was just watching me because he thought it was, lunchtime, but it's not. So highly recommend this. If you're curious, looking for a good, solid, grain dog food with grains, this is a good choice. I believe that your dog's gonna really enjoy it because our dog does. So check out Hills.